Building your first home server in 2025, 3 names keep popping up: ZimaOS, HexOS, and CasaOS. Let's cut through the noise and find which one actually fits your needs. If this helps, smash that like button. Let's dive in. CasaOS is a free, open-source layer that runs on top of Ubuntu or Debian. Think of it as a beautiful Docker dashboard. ZimaOS is CasaOS evolved into a full standalone NAS operating system with advanced storage tools. HexOS is built on TrueNAS scale. It's designed for absolute beginners but still in early beta with paid licensing. Installation and setup. CasaOS. One command install on existing Linux, easiest entry point. Write directly to disk. Boots as full OS. Clean but requires wiping your drive. Guided setup wizard automates everything: pools, RAID, health checks in under 10 minutes. Storage management. Basic file sharing. No built-in RAID GUI, you handle that at OS level. This is where it shines. GUI for RAID 0156, ZFS, Btrfs support. Data migration tools. Professional grade. HexOS. Auto-configures ZFS pools with parity protection. Zero jargon, maximum safety. App ecosystem. CasaOS 800 plus Docker apps, massive community, ultimate flexibility. Curated 300 plus apps plus AI tools, Immich, Jellyfin, Home Assistant, all optimized with one-click installs. Currently only 3 curated apps: Immich, Plex, QBitTorrent, limited but growing fast. Remote access. CasaOS DIY, with Cloudflare tunnels or Tailscale. Built-in Zima client with zero config P2P connection, works anywhere, encrypted by default. Cloud-based command deck, needs internet to manage your server. Local UI coming Q4 2025. Performance and hardware. CasaOS runs on anything: Pi 4, old laptops, x86, lightest footprint. ZimaOS optimized for x86 with Thunderbolt GPU pass-through, 10 GB support. Power users love it. Strict on drive types, no SMR drives. TrueNAS backend means rock-solid reliability but pickier hardware. Bottom line. CasaOS if you want free, flexible, and maximum control. ZimaOS if you need serious NAS features with beautiful UX, data protection, RAID, remote access built in, worth the $29 lifetime for 5+ drives. HexOS if you're terrified of tech but willing to pay $99 for handholding. Wait for V1/0, though still rough around edges. Pick based on your actual needs, not hype. Which one are you choosing? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for more no BS tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.